it? Oh my
Super
God.
comfy.
Yeah.
I'll just have to.
No, this is Yay!
This is so
It's so
comfy.
pretty.
Nice helmet.
Ready to rumble.
You got one more present there?
Oh.
Nope, right in front of you.
That's to both of us.
Go ahead, Sophie, you can open it.
Can I, Mama?
Of course. Yeah, of course. Let me see. Let me see.
Let's put this beat.
You give me that. You give me that.
It's upside down. It looks like it's something electronic. It's an iPad!
Aw.
Ah! Thank you, Daddy!
You're welcome. You have to share it with Mommy.
I know I need to. Can I open it and see it?
Uh-huh. All right, we just have to be careful with Kirby around.
Have you opened this?
Oh, that's wrapping.
You want me to open it, sweetie?